Meaning of bridge. Bridge is a noun meaning a structure built to connect two places over water, roads, or valleys. It can also mean something that connects or brings things together. As a verb, it means to connect or reduce the gap between two things. 10 daily use example sentences. As a noun. 1. We crossed the river using the bridge. 2. That old bridge is still strong. 3. The bridge connects the two cities. 4. They stood on the bridge and looked down at the water. 5. The bridge collapsed during the storm. As a verb. 6. We need to bridge the gap between rich and poor. 7. His kind words bridged the misunderstanding. 8. Music can bridge cultures. 9. The teacher tried to bridge the difference between the students. 10. They are working to bridge communication issues.